Hello, Marin here from cloudcentric.dev with yet another quick tip video about Apache Cassandra. This time I want to show you how to debug Cassandra locally using IntelliJ IDEA. As you can see, I have just finished cloning the Cassandra Git repository locally. And now I'm going to go ahead and open the project in IntelliJ IDEA. So here I click on Open, click OK. And the project starts loading. Let's maximize the window. All right, so the first thing we see is this pop-up here that says that and build scripts have been found. So I click on Add File. And here the target that we want to run is called Generate IDEA Files. So I will click on this one and wait for a moment. All right, and now we can see the Cassandra run configuration has appeared, which allows us to run and debug our code. So let's add a breakpoint. I have been looking into the memtables implementation lately. So let's open the SkipListMemtable class. Let's add a breakpoint here, for example. I will close this window. And now we run debug. It takes some time to build the project. And here our breakpoint gets detected and we have Cassandra running locally in debug mode. I remove this breakpoint and let the execution resume because I want to show you a few more things. So now that we have a Cassandra instance running locally, I can connect to this instance using debugger. I already have the connection set up and I can go ahead and issue commands against the local database. Let's create a keyspace here, but before we do, let's add another breakpoint. So here I'm going to go into the Keyspace class. And here I'm going to intercept the create replication strategy method, which I know gets called when a keyspace is being created. So here I select the query and execute it. And there we go. Keyspace is being created. So it looks so good. I'll resume execution. Now, one last thing I want to show you before we wrap this up is where your data is being stored locally. If we go back to our terminal, let's open a new tab here. Let's go into the Cassandra folder. You see that we have a data folder, and the data folder doesn't exist when you clone the project initially. It will get created when you run the project. And inside the data folder, you'll find all of the key spaces that you create during local development. Let's actually zoom a little bit. All right, so we have our data over here. And right now, the new key space that we created is not listed here yet, but it will get listed eventually when we create a new table. And for that purpose, I'm going to consult the Cassandra documentation and take an example query from there. So I'll copy this one here, go back to debugger. All right. And now if we navigate back to the data folder, we can see the cycling key space. Okay, so that's about it. Thanks for watching, and if you have found the video useful, remember to like, share, comment or subscribe. Thanks, bye.